Yeah. BNG to NYC, from the islands to the industry, we global now. Came from the coast where the waves hit go. Now I'm on charge, my story told. From Port Moresby to Miami Lights, we hustle clean but the grind ignites. New Guinea boy with a digital dream. Flip that vibe, not a whole world stream. Cash flow drip, no mainstream scheme. Independent king with a global team. From the jumbo to the skyline shine. Every verse I drop, redefine. Island flex, money stacking high. Two wave trending, can't deny. From PNG roots to US charts, we turn hustle into art. Island flex, no cap, no lie. Every move got a people fly. New Guinea sound, global spark. From the tropics straight to the dark. Yeah. Talk numbers, I do decimals. Real hustle, not hypothetical. Studio heat, tropical vibes. Turning beats into dollar signs. She love the island tone I speak. 808s bounce the vibe unique. From later Brooklyn, yeah, we peak. Pacific boy with a New York street.
Ocean breeze, city lights, dreams born from sleepless nights. Now we shine, don't need to fight. Island and soul, global heights.
Island flicks, money stacking high. New wave trending, can't deny. From PNG to US charts, we turn hustle into art. Island flex, no cap, no lie. Every move got a people fly. New Guinea sound, global star. From the tropics straight to the dark. Yeah. From the islands to the block, we cry. Worldwide, BNG in the charts of the heart.